what to buy at Harbor Freight. Pretty much the top deals that they got going on. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So all the blue tags basically are the Inside Track Club membership. You are required to pay, I believe, $29 for a year subscription or membership. If you don't want to pay for that, I do have some yellow tags that are available for discounts in this video. But as you guys do see, most of them are the blue tags. That's where you're gonna be end up saving a little bit more. And also, Harbor Freight is having a sale coming up. I believe the Black Friday spring sale. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. All right, so you got the two-piece portable ramp set there for $54. And guys, like I said, that sale is going to include almost all these, not all of the generators, but the most important ones. So make sure you guys double check that out. $239 down from $249 for the Jackery. It's a power station. $44.99 down for $49. This is an extension cord for the generators. A nice thick extension cord. Then you got the buy one get one free. Yes, for the Olive Hour tools. At least for this tool, you do get that free when you buy the starter kit. And then something I do recommend is some wire strippers. Not necessarily this brand, but the Doyles and the Doyles. These red ones are pretty good. I have them personally, so they work pretty good on those. And then you got the Ames here for $3.99. Now you got this chain hoist 1 ton. This one's down to $49.99 with that membership. And then you got the backpack sprayer down to $89 from $99. Now that the weeds are here. And if you guys want a smaller one for the Nigeria, $39. Down from $49. You got the solar lights here for $9.99, just under $10. Very inexpensive. This work for smaller areas. Not necessarily the highest quality, but they'll last you at least about a year or so. $44.99. Guys, these are buy one get one free. So you buy a battery and charger, and you do get a tool for free. This is a really good deal. That is the battery and the charger you have to buy, and then you get that free tool. Very inexpensive. It's like $129 or something like that. Then you got the Spectrum spray gun, $79.99. It is a premium brand. And then you got a premium air hose there for $29.99 down from $34.99. You got a chainsaw, it's a 42cc 2-stroke 18-inch gas chainsaw. This one's down to $159 from $179. So not too bad. $20 off on this one. And then, yes, they still got the buy one get one free. So you get a free tool with the purchase of the battery and charger. So for a chainsaw, it's pretty good. And then the pole saw is included. And then you got the edge trimmer as well. So all these are included, all the OPE. And don't forget to check out this one. This one's the Atlas. This is a great brand. I personally did have a mower for about 2 or 3 years. I ended up selling because I upgraded to a self-propelled model. But yeah, definitely a nice mower. Very powerful. $16.99 from $21 for those lights. And then you got the LED bar here at $99.99. Really nice looking LED bars. You got some clamps. This is a really nice clamp. It's a cradle style. Vise. Not clamps, but it's vise. So they got all sorts of vices here, but they do have some on sale as of now. $229 from $199. That was a 6-inch. And then you got some ropes or paracords. And then you got a toolbox here. I can't say the other word, but because I'll get demonetized. But yeah, $7.99 for that toolbox. It's a smaller one, by the way. And then this is a very nice to have if you're doing DIYs and stuff like that. Even if you want to prop up some appliances and you know how you have to adjust the level of it. Well, that's a nice item to have. You got the Pittsburgh wrenches. That's a really nice deal on that one. And then you got this huge adjustable wrench, 26 down from $32.99. I ended up picking the red one because I do have a red toolbox. But yeah, this is a great value at just under $10. This one as well, $4.99 for the PB Blaster. Then you got this blue toolbox, really nice. The Series 2. I really like what they're doing with their colors. It's pretty much gloss black and gloss blue, but it does make a really nice contrast in the color. And a pretty good quality as well, and that is the rail lock system for each drawer. You pretty much have to put that push that to the left, and it opens up real well. And then you got the charging station there, as you guys do see, and then some more places for your power tools and or air tools. But this green one's really nice as well. So it's like a lime green with black. And it is a smaller one. So let's go over the prices. $8.99 for the 56-inch. That's just the bottom piece. And then you got this one. This one's $5.99 for the bottom piece. And you got this 27-inch for $3.99. And they do come in all colors, by the way, not just these colors. You got 4.5 diameter suction cup, $2.99. Great for the people that do body work. And then check this out, something that you don't see every day, gold-plated or gold color, you would say, ratchet. $4.49 down from $5.99 for this welder. Now, titanium is one of the mid-range welders there. $7.99 for these. I personally do have these gloves. They work pretty good. That's it, guys. Just a quick video, just an overall. I'll be making some more videos as soon as that spring Black Friday deals come up. There's gonna be some good ones. I'm actually gonna go to the store and do that video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.